The 2012 Ferrari California. Ferrari launched the California GT back in 2008 at the Paris Auto Show, but for the 2012 model year, the California will get some special treatment in the form of a big update. The model will be about 66 pounds lighter and will deliver an additional 30 HP. Both the exterior and interior will also be improved. The new 2012 Ferrari California will be powered by the same 4.3-liter V8 engine, but will get new software and improved machining of the internals to achieve the 30 HP boost. This increase will bring the output up to a total of 483 HP and 373 pound-feet of torque. And since it is also 66 pounds lighter, performance will get a bump as well. The revised California will make the sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.85 seconds, down from 4.0 seconds. Next to the technical improvements, the 2012 California will receive a few exterior and interior updates, including a bigger hard drive for the in-car entertainment system, 40 GB up from the current 30. The new California will go into production in January 2012, making a debut in late 2011 a necessity. Update April 13, 2012. After making its world debut at the Geneva Motor Show earlier this year, the new 2012 California has been taken to Maranello, where the car was tested by company drivers and the engineers that developed it. Check out the video by clicking on the image above.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.